Hello guys, welcome back to the Filament tutorial. Today we will see how to change the panel logo, panel favicon and fonts in the filament panel. Also we will see about how to change the theme color. We can change this color in the filament. So let's come to the documentation. In documentation, go to the panel builder and in sidebar you will see themes option here. Click on that. You can see here they have given the documentation about how to change the color. Here panel extends the colors method by which we can change the color. You can see here how to change the primary color. So let's come to the VS Code. In here open the file admin panel provider. In here you will find the colors method here, in which they have given default primary color here. Let's open the color class of the filament. You can see here they have given some of the colors already here with different brightness or intensity. So let's change this color to teal. Just write here teal and let's refresh the panel. You can see here our color is changed now. You can see this button color and this font color and icon color, that is changed. You can use the hash code also here. So let's copy this hash code and try. So let's refresh the panel and see what happens. You can see this color has changed. You can use the RGB format color also. So copy this and try. Let's refresh the panel. You can see here the color is same, so not changed, but it's working. So that is the color option, and let's see how we can change the fonts. You can see here panel also extend the font method by which you can change the font of the panel. Google font provider they have used, so all the Google font you can use in place of font method. So let's extend to font method, and right now we are applying pop-in fonts, and let's refresh the panel. You can see font is changed. Let's try another font from Google Fonts. Let's try Roboto fonts so we can see it's working. Roboto. Let's refresh the panel. You can see font is changed to Roboto fonts. So this is how you can change the font. And let's see how we can change the logo. So here we can also add text logo by brand name. If we have to add image, then we can use this extend method brand logo. Let's copy this method and use that to add a logo. So right now we have images we have example logo here, so let's apply this. Simply write images logo.png. Let's refresh and see how logo is coming. You can see our logo is coming here. So this is how you can change the logo. Let's apply the favicon also. So for favicon, here you can extend the favicon method and favicon image path here. So let's add it. So we have favicon image also in public folder. Here it is. So let's add it. So we have same name. So let's try on the filament panel. We have favicon also added here. So this is how you can change favicon and logo. That's it. Bye.